In the heart of a vast and untouched forest, far beyond the reach of cities and human noise, a forgotten train car rests in complete silence, hidden beneath layers of time and neglect. Once it carried movement, energy, and purpose, but now it stands motionless, slowly being consumed by the surrounding wilderness. Rust spreads across its aging metal. Broken glass reflects fragments of the past, and creeping vegetation begins to claim what was left behind. The air feels still, almost frozen in time, as if the world has moved on without it. But today, something is about to change. A new story is about to unfold, and this silent relic is about to come back to life. Through the dense trees, a team emerges with quiet determination, stepping carefully into the abandoned space as if entering a forgotten world. They pause for a moment, studying the structure in detail. Every crack, every broken edge, every sign of decay telling a story of time's passage. There are no wasted movements, no unnecessary words, only focus. Then, without hesitation, the work begins. Tools strike against rusted metal. Sharp sounds echo through the forest, and the silence that once dominated this place is finally broken. The air fills with motion, energy, and purpose. What was once still now begins to transform. The process starts with removal, stripping away the damage that has built up over the years. Broken panels are pulled free, corroded sections are cut away, and every weakened part is carefully eliminated. Piece by piece, the past is dismantled. Workers move in perfect coordination, each action flowing into the next, creating a rhythm of controlled progress. Dust rises into the air as fragments fall to the ground, marking the end of what once was. The structure, once hidden beneath layers of decay, is now exposed at its core, ready to be rebuilt from the ground up. With the old cleared away, a new phase begins. Fresh materials arrive, strong, clean, and precisely engineered for reconstruction. Metal frames are lifted into position with careful alignment, each piece measured and secured with exact accuracy. The structure slowly begins to rise again, stronger than before. Every connection is tightened, every angle perfected, ensuring stability and balance. What once stood fragile and broken now starts to regain its strength. The transformation is no longer just an idea. It is becoming reality, right before our eyes. Momentum builds as the work continues without pause. There is no hesitation, no slowing down, only continuous motion driving the project forward. Sunlight filters through the trees, casting soft shadows across the evolving structure as it takes shape. Then a major shift begins. Glass panels are introduced, smooth, reflective, and precise. Each panel is carefully placed, changing the entire character of the structure. Light begins to pass through where walls once blocked it. Reflections of the forest appear on every surface, and the outside world starts to merge with what is being created inside. Inside, the transformation becomes even more noticeable. What was once chaotic and empty now starts to form defined spaces with clear purpose. Lines become sharper, surfaces become smoother, and structure turns into design. Every detail is adjusted with precision, every element aligned to perfection. The pace intensifies as the vision becomes clearer. This is no longer just repair, it is refinement. What was once abandoned and forgotten now begins to show intention, creativity, and a sense of future. Now the final phase begins. The last traces of dust and imperfection are carefully removed as surfaces are cleaned, polished, and brought to life. Glass becomes crystal clear, reflecting the surrounding forest with stunning clarity, while natural light flows freely through the structure, filling every corner with brightness and depth. From above, the full transformation is revealed. A once forgotten train car now reborn as a modern architectural masterpiece hidden within nature. As the camera moves around it, every angle tells the same story of change, effort, and vision. What once stood in silence and decay now stands in elegance and purpose. This is more than restoration. This is complete rebirth.